Hi everyone, welcome back to Casting Vlog and welcome back to another new video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. So I have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025. Now to make sure that WhatsApp is working on your smartwatch, you need to make sure that the watch is running One UI version 8, the Wear OS version 6, and the system version 16. I think by 16 we're referring to the Android version 16. Now to check that, you can go to your watch settings, about watch, and the software information. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the installation of WhatsApp. So let me tell you the steps. So there are two ways to install WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. So the first step is by going to the Wear app, and then you go to the store and then click on WhatsApp, and then you will see available on your other devices. So I can select the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and then I can just click install, so it will just install on the watch. And the other way to do this is to go to the Play Store on your watch and look for WhatsApp Messenger over here and then just click install. So I'm going to just do it this way, just through the watch. So the installation looks to be done. So let me go ahead and look for the app. Here it is. I'm going to just click on WhatsApp and I'll give it a few seconds. So it basically just opens up the WhatsApp on my phone and it's asking me to confirm. So I'm going to link this device. Let me go ahead and use the biometrics. And here I can just enter this code. So that is going to be T11SGYX7. And we'll give it a few seconds. It says logging in. It says loading chats over here. And here I can see that it has already linked to Wear OS. It says last active today. It says syncing, keep the app open. So we'll give it a few seconds. As you can see that the watch is also getting ready and it's kind of like loading the chats. It just gives you a notification that chats with businesses is not visible on the watch, so you have to refer it to your phone's app. Let's click on dismiss. So these are the chats that you can see that you can just load more. So it will start showing up the chats over here. And you can basically read any of the chats. So if I go to this one and you see that all the information is right here, and it will just take a couple of seconds for the images to sync as well. So if you see that it is still saying that syncing, keep the app open, but once the sync is complete, you should be able to view all the contents that you see on the phone, on WhatsApp, on your Samsung Galaxy Watch as well. So this was the original and the most trusted method of using WhatsApp on your smartwatch, especially if you own a Samsung Galaxy Watch. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to the channel. Give a like to this video. If you have any questions, please put them on the comments. I will see you on the next one.